Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're going to be diving into the world of Microsoft stock, one of the tech giants in the market. Before we get into the charts, let's take a look at some of the recent news and events that could be impacting MSFT's price action. As you can see from our Google search results, Microsoft has been in the headlines recently, with several reports discussing their performance in the AI and cloud computing markets. One article highlights the impressive growth of Microsoft's cloud revenue, reaching $36.8 billion in the fourth quarter of 2024, a 21% increase year-over-year. Another article focuses on the success of Azure OpenAI, which saw a 60% increase in customer base, reaching 60,000 clients in the second quarter of 2024. These reports suggest that Microsoft is well-positioned to capitalize on the growth of the AI market, which could potentially drive its stock price higher. However, there are also concerns about potential overinvestment in AI and its impact on Microsoft's profitability trajectory. Analysts have reassessed their optimism on Microsoft's AI growth inflection, leading to some pessimism on Wall Street. Despite this, many analysts maintain a buy rating on Microsoft stock, citing its strong fundamentals and growth potential. Now, let's take a look at the chart data and see if it aligns with the news and events we just discussed. Here's the one-day chart for Microsoft stock. First thing we notice, we're at a relatively high price compared to where we've been for the past 6 to 8 months. If we zoom in on the past 6 months, we see an interesting trend. From July to September, the price has been fluctuating within a range of around $410 to $440, suggesting a period of consolidation or indecision. This consolidation phase could have been influenced by the mixed news and sentiment surrounding Microsoft's AI investments. However, in early October, the price broke out of this range and surged upwards, closing above $450. This breakout can be interpreted as a sign of bullish momentum, indicating that buyers are taking control of the market. Now, let's switch to the one-hour chart and see if we can find more clues about the current trend. If we look at the one-hour chart, we see a continuation of the bullish momentum from the daily chart. The recent breakout above $450 is clearly visible, with the price trading above its previous resistance level. This suggests that buyers are still pushing the price higher. The volume on this breakout has also been quite impressive, indicating strong conviction from buyers. However, it's important to note that the price has encountered some resistance around $460. This level could act as a short-term barrier to further price gains. We'll need to monitor this level closely in the coming days and weeks to see if it can break through or if it will lead to a pullback. Now, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart to see if we can find any potential reversal signs. On the 15-minute chart, we can see that the recent price action has been quite volatile. This is a classic sign of a market that's trying to find its direction. While we have seen some bullish momentum in the past few hours, it's still too early to say definitively whether the price will continue to rise or if we'll see a reversal. The volume on the 15-minute chart has been declining, which could indicate that the momentum is starting to fade. We need to watch for any signs of a reversal pattern, such as a bearish engulfing pattern, a shooting star, or a bearish divergence in the RSI. If we see any of these patterns, it could be a signal to consider shorting the stock or taking profits on long positions. Now, let's switch back to the daily chart to discuss some key price levels to watch. Going back to the daily chart, we can identify a few key price levels to keep an eye on. The first level to watch is the $450 level, which acted as resistance during the consolidation phase, but has now become support. If the price breaks below this level, it could be a signal of a bearish trend. The next key level to watch is $460, which has been acting as a short-term resistance level. If the price can break above this level, it could signal a continuation of the bullish trend. Another important level to consider is the $500 level, which represents a price target for many analysts. This level is a significant psychological barrier, and a break above it would likely lead to further price gains. Finally, we can see that the 200-day moving average is currently at $430. This level is a long-term support level, and a break below it would be a significant bearish signal. Overall, We can see that Microsoft stock is currently in a bullish trend, but there are also some signs of short-term resistance. The price action in the coming days and weeks will determine whether this is a short-term bounce or a long-term bullish trend. We need to monitor the price action around the key levels we discussed and watch for any signs of a reversal pattern. With the recent news and events surrounding Microsoft's AI investments, it's likely that the price will continue to fluctuate, making it an exciting and potentially profitable stock to trade. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to explain the charts for more in-depth stock market analysis.